In the new official plan, I have seen a large increase in the amount of requirements that are needed to satisfy planning applications. This includes a lot more sub-consultants that have to be included in the planning process, and this also increases the amount of financial burden it impends on clients. A lot of properties around the Muskoka Lakes area are going to be impacted by site plan control. Site plan control can include many things and is not necessarily stated. It is up to the planning staff through pre-consultation understand and give recommendation on what sub-consultants or requirements are needed. These can be stormwater management plans, grading plans, fish habitat studies, other environmental impact studies, tree inventory plans, noise assessment studies. All of these studies may be great, but it has greatly increased the amount of time that's required to apply for a building permit in Muskoka Lakes Township. In my opinion, I have seen a massive increase in the amount of requirements for planning, for a planning application to be approved, but I have not seen a comparable amount of planning staff hired in order to process these applications. This greatly impacts the project timelines, and no hard deadlines or dates are given at time of application. As I mentioned before, we touch many projects locally in the area, and since we're deeply involved with the planning process and building permit process, we've actually made checklists and have great relationships with planning staff, and we request pre-consultation meetings on every single project to make sure that requirements and process is made clear from the get-go. I would suggest that if you are looking at a development project or you have an architect or a designer involved, please reach out to the township and book a pre-consultation meeting.